Hey there, it's me, Kathy, and it is Friday again already. So it's Flatbread Friday, and this week we're really having a clean out the refrigerator pizza. We have our artisan pizza crust from from Misfits Market, and that was in my freezer because they come in a 2-pack. And I also had the tomatoes that we used for the corn and tomato pizza. I put them in a marinade that I made with the champagne mimosa vinegar. And so those have, and some olive oil, and those have been marinating. And then I had a few artichoke hearts left over from when I make my very special artichoke spinach dip just for me. And I roasted some garlic this week. So those are going to be the ingredients for our flatbread, and let's get to it. We are going to start with some red sauce that we're going to spread over our crust. Our sauce is down, and I neglected to mention that I also have spinach that's kicking around from when I make my spinach artichoke dip. I've been living on that, snacking on that for about a couple of weeks now, and I love it so much. And it's not a good way to eat, but it is vegetables after a while. After all, it's got some vegetable content to it, and we could do a little bit more. Okay, that'll do it for our spinach. And you know I like to put the spinach under the cheese so it doesn't get dried and burnt. So on goes some mozzarella. And now here comes our toppings. I think we will do the roasted garlic first, followed by our quartered petite artichoke hearts, and finally our marinated tomatoes. We're just gonna spread those all around. And I'm just gonna take this and press it down a little bit and form it up so it stays formed. And then we got one more thing, and we're going in the oven. And because of the ingredients blend, we're gonna finish this off with a little sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. Here's our, I think we'll call this a Mediterranean vegetable pizza, or marinated vegetable pizza. So here's what we look like. We're going into the oven at about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and let's check it out when it comes out. Our Mediterranean style marinated veggie pizza is now out of the oven, crispy and golden brown, and a little bit juicy because of that marinade. And we got a couple of little burnt spinach leaves on the side, spinach stems. All right, I'm gonna bring us in close so we can have a good look. I got it turned down too far. Let's come up a little bit. Alrighty, there is our Mediterranean style marinated vegetable pizza. We are going to slice it and serve it, and it's going to be delicious. Here's our Mediterranean marinated vegetable pizza, and I've had a bite, and it was tangy and delicious. And I love me some artichoke hearts and some roasted garlic and some tomatoes and all the stuff that's on here. So happy Flatbread Friday. We'll see you again soon. I want to thank you for joining me while we made this delicious Friday flatbread with spinach left the building. And that's the one I took a bite out of. And like I say, it's tangy because of the marinade and because of the feta, and delicious because of the spinach. And I gotta say, it's probably pretty healthy too. So anyway, thank you for joining me, and happy Flatbread Friday. We'll see you soon.